I'm proud of y'all. I love y'all. Y'all special. Today gonna be an amazing day. So basically, man, what I noticed is that when we don't realize that it is okay to do certain things out the kindness of our heart without having to show the world, you know? And to be honest, man, like I want to allow people to understand that like whoever had my number, and if you try to reach out to me or call me, that phone is off. And that phone is off because I wanted to discipline myself to the point where I realized that I don't need my phone because people only call me with their issues and their problems. They don't call me to try to see, Dave, Tyrone, how are you doing? How you doing mentally and emotionally? No, they don't do that. I'm the one that do that, you know? And instead of me continuing to do that, I had to step back from and it wasn't even me, it was God. God broke my phone in the universe, you know? And basically, I'm usually will hurry up and order my screen off Amazon and just hurry up and fix my screen, and then I'll be back in the game. But God is the one that told and said, Tyrone, I need you to slow down. I have a lot of things that's about to come to you, and you have to be prepared for it. You know, and due to me taking his advice and not ordering my screen until I really needed it, I obtained a lot. You hear me? And the certain things that I'm about to say will, to the regular mind that see this, or to the people that still think that I'm still the same individual, they not gonna believe it. You know, and that's their problem, not mine. So to be honest, I obtained my physical location of my school, and I am rebuilding it myself, and I'm taking my time with it, you know? And to be honest, I deserve it. And everybody that support me, and everybody that subscribe, and everybody that helps me in life, y'all deserve it as well. And to be honest, the next my next my next move in life is gonna be something different. I promise you, you know. And to be honest, I'm glad that a lot of people chose the side that they chose. It's not that I'm mad or angry or upset, is I'm relieved. And I'm relieved to the point where I'm already here. I don't need no help. I'm proud of y'all. I love y'all. Y'all special. Today is gonna be an amazing day. Make sure y'all speak that. Proud of y'all.